Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Konica Minolta C35 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to the YouTube description. There are two links. Open any link that you want, Mega link or Google Drive link. I open the Google Drive link, and Google Drive link is open in our web browser. Here if you find download, click on download, or go to the file and click on the download, or Control D on our keyboard. I click on the download and I'll wait for a few seconds and download is started. In a few seconds, wait for a few seconds, our download is started. Here we find our download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our internet. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer setup file, and this setup file is a zip file, and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's unzip now, or unzip now, and unzip folder is created on the desktop. Double click on it. Here we find 64, 6 more means 64, and Win86 means 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 86, and if 64, then go to the Win64. Okay. After that, close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. At the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Close it. Here you find many options. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here you find existing port. Most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Click on hard disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here you find our printer. Double click on our printer. Here we find Win64. If your machine is 64, then go to the Win64. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the Win86. I go to Win64. My machine is 64. Double click on it. Here you find single file. Select that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here you find the one single file. Select that. And here you find next. Click on the next. Here you find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I give Konica Minolta C35. I give C35. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. After that, our printer is start to install. It's asked this message. It is an old style printer, so I click on the install. Click on the install and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is installed now. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then last option I don't. So I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page, or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find Konica Minolta C35, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.